Okay, this is a video for my channel, and I don't think I'm talking loud enough, so I'm gonna have to like scream. And this is just gonna be random things I'm doing now, and they might be really weird. For one, I'm gonna show you my sister on the computer with my friend. You'd think my friend would be on the computer with me, not my sister. Nicole, you're a YouTube sensation!
Oh yeah, I made a video of, what's it called?
No one cares. We'll get back to you.
Mario Kart. Mario Kart. Why don't you check that out?
Just check out her video. I have no idea what the thing's called. Anyways, I paint a lot, and I'm getting really good. Like, that's to the point where I could be an expert, and I just want to show you one of my things. Yes, I painted this. The egg is orange and it's curly, and the dragon's green with a little horn, and it has black, and it has one eye, and this is the back of it. I don't know why it has a hole, so don't ask me. Okay, I want some comments on how to edit videos, because I have no idea how to edit the videos, and I really want to know. So, if you could tell me that, that would be even helpful. Also, if I make a video in a day, it doesn't come out as well as the other one. And I'm going to try something for a second. I'm going to try Webcam Max. Never mind, it's not working. I would sing, but you know what? I don't feel like it. And I want to show you something right now. Thinking, looking around the room. Like I said, this can be random. That is my bathroom TV. Oh, subscribe to any video on the channel. No one has done. Well, I don't know actually. I'm stupid. Couldn't check it. Not off. I need help on how to edit something, like put pictures in or something. Like, I have no idea how to do that at all. And, yeah. Hope you enjoy this video, because this might be one in a while until I figure out how to edit or something. Do I have a chin? Like, if I go like this or something, or if I go like this? Do I? Oh yeah, I know if I go like this, I do. But if I go like this, do I have a chin?